Okay, so let us study today trigonometric functions. So we will find out the value of sine 75 degree and tan 15 degree by using some formula. So the formula which we are going to use today, like sine 75 degree, so for that we will be using sine A plus B formula. So sine A plus B is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sin B. So as we are aware that sine 75 degree we can also write as sine 45 degree plus 30 degree. So now we will be able to utilize the formula of sine A cos B plus cos A sin B. So we will be putting it as sine 45 degree cos 30 degree plus cos 45 degree and sin 30 degree. We know sin 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2 and cos 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3 by 2. Yes, so cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2 plus cos 45 degree again 1 by root 2 and sin 30 degree 1 by 2. So we have got here root 3 by 2 root 2 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So our answer will become root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. As we do not keep root in denominator, so we will be multiplying with root 2. Okay, and then we will be getting root 3 plus 1 into root 2, and here in denominator we will be getting 2 into 2, that is 4. So we can keep like this, or we can also write root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. There will not be any problem. If we want to put the value of root 3 1.73, that also we can substitute. Root 2 also 1.414 we can substitute, and further we can find in decimal. But if we are doing up till here also, there will not be any problem. We will get full marks. Similarly for tan 15 degree, so the formula which we will be utilizing, like tan A minus B, so we will be writing tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. So this formula we are going to utilize. So tan 15 we can write as is equal to tan 45 degree minus 30 degree. We will be substituting in formula and we will write tan 45 degree minus tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan 45 degree and tan 30 degree. So we will be getting tan 45 degree is equal to 1 and tan 30 degree we will be getting 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus tan 45 degree again 1 and tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Fine. So we can write as root 3 minus 1, and here we can write as root 3 plus 1, and root 3 will be getting cancelled. Okay, denominator root 3 will get cancelled, and we can further go for rationalization, or even we can keep like this also, there will not be any problem. We can go to another question. We will be solving another question. So here in place of degree it is given in pi. We know that pi is equal to 180 degree. So pi is equal to 180 degree. If we want, we can convert it also, like sine, from here we can write sine is square. So pi by 6. So pi by 6 is what? 180 degree by 6, so 30 degree. So 30 degree also we can write, no problem. And cos square pi by 3, so it will be 60 degree, minus 10 square pi by 4, it is 45 degree. So like this also we can write, and we can directly substitute the values as we are already knowing. So sin 30 is 1 by 2 whole square, plus cos 60 is also 1 by 2 whole square, right? Sin 30 is equal to cos 60, so that is 1 by 2, and minus tan 45 degree, that is 1, so 1 is square. So here we have got 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1, and this 1 plus 1, 2 by 4, 2 by 4 is 1 by 2 minus 1, and we have got minus 1 by 2 as the answer. So in this way there are many functions are there, trigonometric functions. Today I have utilized some of the formulas, like let me conclude. I told you about the formula sin A plus B, so that is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. If we are writing here sin A minus B, so here we can write directly. Similarly, another formulas also we can utilize, that is cos A plus minus B, so it will become cos A cos B minus, so here minus plus sin A sin B. We also utilized the formula tan A plus B, or A plus minus B also we can write. So A plus B, so tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. If there will be minus here, then here also minus it will be there, and it will become plus here. So there are so many formulas are there. We have discussed only one formula, this one, and we discussed this formula. We found out the values, and we could solve the question. In next video, we will come with some more questions. I hope you all would have understood, and if you have liked it, so please like the video, subscribe my channel, and please press the bell icon, so that whenever I am uploading the new video, you will get notification. So with this, thank you very much.